Yo, what up? We're back. So, had someone ask how hard is it to weld two aluminum pipes together? Not bad at all. So, what the first thing you have to do is cut the pipes and make sure they're real smooth and butted. Next step is I normally tack four corners before I even start welding. The reason to that is because if you just tack one side and you start welding, it could spread open, and once it's spread open, it'll be hard to weld. So once you get all the corner tacked up, then you can start the weld. Motherfucker hot. That's it.